Hello, I'm Ethan. This is Pickle Rick, and this is Apollo, and this is my spring 2024 physics class Rube Goldberg device. I didn't have much to work with here, so I had to get a little bit creative. I am in electrical engineering, so I brought out my Arduino here as part of my device. In a lot of the examples we watched, we saw that like bouncy balls would roll through the device and hit things, causing other bouncy balls to roll and swing or activate other things. I do have two bouncy balls in my device. I do want to do a thought experiment as we go through and think about my bouncy balls as the subatomic particles rolling through my circuit here, which might be easier to explain as we go along. So for the trigger, start off, I'll roll a bouncy ball down this tube, down here, which will have an elastic collision conserving momentum with Boba Fett, who is hanging from our Millennium Falcon. The collision will cause him to fall off here and due to gravity and strike the Lego Iron Man, who is holding another bouncy ball. This will cause him to drop the bouncy ball, which will roll over here into the range of our ultrasonic sensor. And this is pretty cool. This is a distance sensor. It uses a high-pitched sound that bounces back and forth. It'll go out, hit something, and echo back. And we use the speed of sound to determine how far away something is by how long it takes for it to bounce back, which is pretty cool. And I've programmed that to once an object, or in this case the ball, comes within 3.5 inches of it, then it turns on this LED right here that you can see on the breadboard. Pretty cool. Back up, go forward, back up, go forward. Pretty cool. Next to the LED is a photo detector that you can kind of see right there. See if I can zoom in a little more. Yep, right there. That is basically a resistor that its voltage is dependent on the intensity of light that strikes it. So I've got it right next to the LED, and once the LED turns on and a certain intensity of light strikes it, that will come through over here and cause this stepper motor, which I've attached a pencil with a stem of a flower to, because that is the only thing I could find that would work on touchscreen. That will cause the stepper motor to rotate and push the button to take the selfie. And that is my Rube Goldberg device. I'm excited to show you how it works.